In this video, I'll show some updates to the InDesign script Dimensions. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to watch the original video. See the link in the description. After making the first video, users contacted me with ideas for more features. The suggestions were great, and I've added many to the script. In this video, I'll focus on the new features. You'll want to stick around to the end for a major change you're sure to like. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. The first feature to point out was in the script all along, but I forgot to mention it last time. To demonstrate, I'll select a text frame. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, Dimensions InDesign. Double-click to run it. I'm going to color the lines black, so the results are easier to see. And while I'm at it, show one of the new features. Previously, text was always colored the same as the lines. Now you can make text a different color, if desired. I'll stick with black for this demonstration. Click OK, and we get dimensions of the text. Except it's not the text, it's the size of the frame. Undo, and select the first line with the Text tool. Run the script again, and now dimensions are the selected text. It doesn't have to be an entire line. Select one word, for example, and get its dimensions. Or multiple lines. Now for other new features. A few users asked to specify the decimal mark for countries that use comma instead of dot, so I've added the option. Next, it's now possible to draw only lines or only text. Another user requested that extension lines cross at the corners, so I added the option Extend into Element. I'll enable it and also increase the line weight so the result shows better. In the original script, you could draw arrowheads or not. Now there are 4 choices of arrowheads: circle, simple, slash, and triangle. Also, each type of arrowhead can be adjusted. In the drop-down list, select Configure. A window opens with 3 values to adjust: the multiplier of stroke weight, minimum size, and angle, which doesn't apply to circle. I'll make triangle larger and the angle 45 degrees. And you can see the result. Or make circle larger. You get the idea. A big change is the units for text labels no longer come from the ruler. You can choose the units in the interface, including a few units of measure the InDesign ruler doesn't offer, like feet and inches. We'll try that, but first I'll increase the scale, so the values are greater than a foot. The second drop-down list is the style to use. This varies depending on the measurement units selected. Feet and inches, for example, have short styles, the full words, or the foot and inch marks. There it is. One last thing to mention, not a new feature, but in response to user comments. A few users asked for distance from the page edge. This doesn't require a new feature. Make a rectangle in the page corner and use the Distance tab. The dimensions are off the page, but it's easy to pull the group in wherever you prefer. Visit the web page for a thorough explanation of all the options. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.